We know by now that giving our hair the nourishment of natural ingredients is a must, but choosing the right ones can be so confusing. So we've rounded up 4 of the best natural ingredients that can transform your tresses in no time. Type natural in the comments below and we will send you our ultimate healthy hair guide. Bananas are the most loved common tropical food that are enriched with natural oils, carbohydrates and vitamins that help in softening the overall hair texture of dry and dull strands. They also contain silica, a common mineral element that helps your body to produce collagen, which has a huge impact on the strength of your hair. Thankfully, it's also super easy to use. Make yourself a delicious hair mask by mashing up 2 ripe bananas and add 2 tablespoons of honey to this. Apply this on slightly damp hair and cover with a shower cap and then wash it off after 30 minutes. We promise you, do this twice and your hair will feel super soft and shiny. Another way you can give your hair some banana love is by adding a ripe banana to a tablespoon of coconut oil and milk each. It not only provides long-lasting shine but also aids in growth. The benefits of Indian gooseberry, what we know as amla, are multifold when it comes to scalp and hair care. It contains a surplus of vitamin C that enhances the natural shine of your hair, along with nutrients, amino acids and antioxidants that fight against all weakening factors, be it dandruff, breakage or even dullness. Amla hair packs are quite popular as they keep the hair luscious and healthy. Make a quick one by simply adding equal amounts of amla and shikakai powder and add some water to make it into a paste. Apply all over your hair and keep it for 40 minutes before washing it off and say goodbye to breakage and hair roughness. Most of us complain of having an oily scalp, but applying amla powder will not only soak up the excess grease but will also supply it with nourishment and root strength. Since it's also a natural conditioner, amla oil is a God-sent remedy for frizzy hair as well. Apply a gentle layer on your scalp and on your hair shafts for about an hour before washing it off. Look out for products that have up to the concentration of amla oil to be a 7.5% solution with water, as they work best. Who knew that the leftover rice water could do so many wonders for your hair? Since they have a lot of starch content along with vitamin D and C, it helps make your strands so much stronger, as well as giving the strands vitality to improve their overall appearance. Since it's so easy to make, you will probably always have some lying around. You can use it every day by giving your hair a last rinse with rice water. The amino acids and vitamin E make sure they help in cleansing, all the while providing hydration and moisture. In fact, we've always stressed about a detox hair rinse if you're one whose hair is extremely brittle and damaged. You can even choose to add a green tea bag to rice water and use it as a post-hair wash serum for shiny hair that uses the powerful antioxidants in the tea to reduce hair fall by a mile. If you're struggling with hair thinning, you probably have not used almonds in your diet or hair care routine. It's loaded with omega fatty acids, vitamins and nutrients that banish any friction or frizz and keep your hair strong and smooth to touch. Massage your scalp thrice a week with a light layer of almond oil that will coat your scalp and help in blood circulation, eventually aiding in new and stronger strands. In fact, eating 10 to 12 soaked almonds per day will help end your search towards luxurious, long and strong locks. So here were the 4 natural ingredients we at Glamorous love to use. Hope it brings you the same positive results as well. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.